Hey kids, I'm outside because I'm going to make washing detergent. Not the liquid kind this time, but the dry. And it's only made with 4 ingredients and it doesn't have borax in it. So let me show you what we got together for the cook. Alrighty, the 4 things that you need are some washing soda, some baking soda, some sea salt, and Epsom salts. And this happens to be some scented Epsom salt bath crystals, which will work just fine. You can use regular Epsom salts if you want to. Optional is some essential oils. But this is what we got going, and we'll get this prepped here in just a minute. Okay, so the first thing we're putting in is about a half a cup of Epsom salts. Okay, the next thing we're going to add is a cup and a half of baking soda. There goes 1, and there goes half. All right, here we go. Okay, so the next thing we're going to add is a cup and a half of washing soda. Next thing we're going to add is a 1/4 cup. That's my half cup. There, so 1/4 cup of the sea salt. Now, the one thing that we're not going to add is the borax. This is a borax-free type washing detergent, which for those folks that don't like to have that type of an ingredient in their washing materials, this is great. So I'm going to actually think I'm going to make a double batch. Nope, can't do it. Don't have enough salt. But anyhow, we're going to stir this up and see what it looks like.